Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also keeping cool and pretty. Today I have come to Thakurgaon Airport. It is located about 10 kilometers from Thakur city in the Shimganj area of Thakurgaon district. During the rule of British era, this airport was established in 1940 on 550 acres of land. During the India-Pakistan War in 1965, the Indian Air Force attacked and the runway was damaged. After our country gained independence, it was renovated in 1977. At that time, due to a decrease in the number of passengers, this airport was closed. Right now, the place where I am standing is the Air Force Tower building. The tower building of the airport has been in a dangerous state for a long time. Now it stands only as a witness to history. If you move a little bit forward from the tower, you will see the checkpoint room. This is a checkpoint room. It has no doors or windows. The bricks are falling apart. Now you can see the runway. This runway is approximately 3 kilometers long. It is extremely unfortunate that our airplanes are supposed to operate at this airport. Local farmers and traders are currently drying wheat, corn and rice. Our Thakurgaon airport is very close to India, Nepal and Bhutan, and the district will be transformed into an international commercial hub. I believe that if the closed airport is reopened, it will lead to significant development. Also, the living standard of the people of this area will be improved more. The economic development of the people in the northern region of the country has also improved. I hope that if the airport reopen, it will not face any losses. We believe that it will be launched very soon with the joint efforts of the dignitaries of Thakurgaon district and the leaders of Thakurgaon district Airport Implementation Committee. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the dreamer of the Bengali nation, arrived at Thakurgaon Airport in 1970. This airport is now abandoned. When our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina came to Thakurgaon, Burma in 2018, then the people of Thakurgaon dreamed of opening this airport, but that dream still remains unfinished. As a small boy, I am humbly requested